Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you want to know how I achieved this look, please stay tuned because in today's video we are going to be following TIWA Savage's makeup tutorial. So yeah, right now we're going to start with our eyebrows, and yeah, her eyebrows were a bit thick as well, so I didn't blacken my eyebrows. I left them thick as well. So, we can just, because I've never tried to do my eyebrows while at least they're thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that a go. Okay, guys, OMG, I was very shocked because my eyebrows look very thick right now. Like, I don't know, but I guess we're just gonna have to trust the process. And right now, we're gonna go ahead and just conceal our eyebrows. And okay, so you're gonna have to use a lighter shade of a concealer. Sometimes I prefer to use a foundation because I feel like concealers are a bit too thick for me. And yeah, I find it easier to blend the foundation. That's a shade lighter than me than a concealer anyways. Okay, so for the purpose of the video, I am using LA Girl concealer. I just can't remember the name, but yeah, I'm using LA Girl concealer and okay, you guys. So Tiwa Savage said she sometimes prefers to blend her makeup with her fingers. OMG, this took me back to high school because in high school we used to use our fingers to blend makeup. Oh my God. I was like, oh, wow. It actually blends so well, you guys. I can't believe that. Okay, you guys, so now we're quickly moving on to our concealer. She said she does not apply foundation and she learned that from Naomi Campbell. So we're going straight to the concealer. You guys, I've never done concealer without foundation before, so this was very hard for me. Oh my gosh. I was like, I'm gonna have to trust the process right now because I don't know how I'm gonna put concealer without foundation, and not putting it all over my face as well was so difficult. I just wanted to blend it all over my face, but we couldn't. Okay guys, so after blending the concealer, we are moving on to our setting powder, and we're putting the powder where we put the concealer as well. So I'm gonna go ahead with my Banana NY powder. Okay, you guys, so this is where all the work comes in. This is where the blending comes in. We're gonna go ahead with your powder, any powder of your liking, to be honest, and just go ahead and remove that setting powder that we put earlier. You're just gonna go ahead and remove it. And for this part, you guys, I chose a powder that is the same color as my skin tone. This is so that I can blend everything well, and OMG, you guys, it's going so well. So far so good, as you can see. I'm very happy with that, to be honest. And yeah, I just gonna have to keep repeating the process really as I am doing. Okay guys, so now we're gonna move on to nose contouring. We just gonna have to follow the process as well here. As you can see, I'm taking it all the way up to my eyebrows because that is how Tiwa Savage did hers as well. So yeah. Okay guys, so now as you can see, we're moving on to the blush. I am using the Darcy's collection, which she did with Sheer Glam, and yeah, this one is orange, it's not pink, because lately you guys, it's the one that I've been using. Okay, so now we're moving on to our highlighter, and I'm using Darcy and She Glam highlighter. That's a liquid highlighter as well. So yeah, like I said, I'm loving her products lately. They're quite good as well. So just blend that out. I prefer to blend it with a beauty blender. Okay guys, now we're moving on to our lipstick. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead with a lip liner, and mine, I forgot where I got mine, but I just use any lip liner, to be honest. So yeah. Like guys, Tiwa Savage has me wearing red lipstick. Like I don't even remember the last time I was wearing a red lipstick like that. Like I was like, am I sure am I doing this right now? Because I haven't done any color lipsticks like that in a long time. But you guys, look at how good it looks. OMG, I am so happy with this. Like, can you not see how gorgeous it looks together with the black liner? Gorgeous. Okay, so she mentioned that she's wearing false lashes, and I'm not a fan of eyelashes lately, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put my mascara and call it a day because that's what I do lately. I don't prefer eyelashes no more. Okay, you guys, so this brings us to the end of our video, and with this look, I think it's a 10 out of 10 because I look gorgeous, you guys. Look at that, it looks stunning. I'm so happy with that because you can still see my flows, you can still see my texture, but it looks very good. I like that so much. I'm so happy with this look. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching.